Data analysts gather, clean, and study data to help guide business decisions. If you are considering a career in this in-demand field, here is one path to getting started. 1. Get a foundational education. 2. Build your technical skills. 3. Work on projects with real data. 4. Develop a portfolio of your work. 5. Practice presenting your findings. 6. Get an entry-level data analyst job. 7. Consider certification or an advanced degree. Let us take a closer look at each of those 7 steps. How do I become a data analyst? A step-by-step guide. You can find data analytics jobs in all sorts of industries, and there is more than one path towards securing your first job in this high-demand field. Whether you are just getting started in the professional world or pivoting to a new career, here are some steps toward becoming a data analyst. 1. Get a foundational education. If you're new to the world of data analysis, you'll want to start by developing some foundational knowledge in the field. Getting a broad overview of data analytics can help you decide whether this career is a good fit while equipping you with job-ready skills. It used to be that most entry-level data analyst positions required a bachelor's degree. While many positions still do require a degree, that is beginning to change. While you can develop foundational knowledge and enhance your resume with a degree in math, computer science, or another related field, you can also learn what you need through alternative programs, like professional certificate programs, boot camps, or self-study courses. 2. Build your technical skills. Getting a job in data analysis typically requires having a set of specific technical skills. Whether you are learning through a degree program, professional certificate, or on your own, these are some essential skills you'll likely need to get hired. Statistics. R or Python programming. SQL, structured query language. Data visualization. Data cleaning and preparation. Look at some job listings for roles you would like to apply for, and focus your learning on the specific programming languages or visualization tools listed as requirements. In addition to these hard skills, hiring managers also look for workplace skills, like solid communication skills. You may be asked to present your findings to those without as much technical knowledge, problem-solving ability, and domain knowledge in the industry you would like to work. 3. Work on projects with real data. The best way to learn how to find value in data is to work with it in real-world settings. Look for degree programs or courses that include hands-on projects using real data sets. You can also find a variety of free public data sets you can use to design your own projects. Dig into climate data from the National Centers for Environmental Information, delve deeper into the news with data from BuzzFeed, or come up with solutions to looming challenges on Earth and beyond with NASA Open Data. These are just a few examples of the data out there. Pick a topic you're interested in and find some data to practice on. 4. Develop a portfolio of your work. As you play around with data sets on the internet or complete hands-on assignments in your classes, be sure to save your best work for your portfolio. A portfolio demonstrates your skills to hiring managers. A strong portfolio can go a long way toward getting the job. As you start to curate work for your portfolio, choose projects that demonstrate your ability to scrape data from different sources. Clean and normalize raw data. Visualize your findings through graphs, charts, maps, and other visualizations. Draw actionable insights from data. If you have worked on any group projects through the course of your learning, consider including one of those as well. This shows that you can work as part of a team. If you are not sure what to include in your portfolio, or need some inspiration for project ideas, spend some time browsing through other people's portfolios to see what they've chosen to include. 5. Practice presenting your findings. It can be easy to focus only on the technical aspects of data analysis, but don't neglect your communication skills. A significant element of working as a data analyst is presenting your findings to decision makers and other stakeholders in the company. When you can tell a story with the data, you can help your organization make data-driven decisions. As you complete projects for your portfolio, practice presenting your findings. Think about what message you want to convey and what visuals you will use to support your message. Practice speaking slowly and making eye contact. Practice in front of the mirror or your classmates. Try recording yourself as you present so you can watch it back and look for areas to improve. 6. Get an entry-level data analyst job. After gaining some experience working with data and presenting your findings, it is time to polish your resume and begin applying for entry-level data analyst jobs. Do not be afraid to apply for positions you do not feel 100% qualified for. Your skills, portfolio, and enthusiasm for a role can often matter more than if you check every bullet item in the qualifications list. If you are still in school, ask your university's career services office about any internship opportunities. With an internship, you can start gaining real-world experience for your resume and apply what you are learning on the job. 7. Consider certification or an advanced degree. As you move through your career as a data analyst, consider how you would like to advance and what other qualifications can help you get there. Certifications, like the Certified Analytics Professional or Cloudera Certified Associate Data Analyst, might help qualify you for more advanced positions at higher pay grades. If you are considering advancing into a role as a data scientist, you may need to earn a master's degree in data science or a related field. Advanced degrees are not always required, but having one can open more opportunities.